Good evening, children. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Prabhu's Education Hub. I am Srinivas Prabhu. Our topic, polynomial of class 9th. Polynomial. What is polynomial, children? It is an algebraic expression with many terms. It is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression with many terms. Now, question arises now. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression with many terms. With many terms. Many terms. See, polynomial. In the question only, answer is hidden. Polynomial. Poly means what, children? Many. Many. Nomial means terms. So it has many terms. Who has many terms? Algebraic expression. In our lower classes we have studied what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is an expression x plus 3, y minus 2, half, x minus half. These are all algebraic expression which has terms. How many terms are there? Two different types of terms. What is x? X is a term. What is 3? Term. What is y? Is a term. What is 2? Is a term. Half is a term. X is also term. What are these 3, 2 and half? They are called constant. Constant. What is it? It's a term which has constant value. What are these x, y and x? They are variables. They are variables. It's a term. What's algebraic expression? Combination of constant and variables. Understood? So algebraic expression has two types of terms. What are they? They are all constants. What are these three terms? These are all constant. So algebraic expression is combination. Combination means we use plus or minus symbol. They club the terms. Algebraic expression is combination of constant and variables. What is constant? Constant is a term which has a fixed value. For example, children, write a number please. How do you read this? 2. I will not erase this. Tomorrow I will ask you to read this. You will read it as 2 only. Will you read it as 2.1? No. 1.9? No. Neither it decreases or increases. Its value remains constant. I will ask you this. What is this? X. What is this? Y. What are they? Variables. Whose value can change. Whose value can change. See children, after this algebraic expression, what have we studied? Just only I'll give a hint. X plus 3 is an algebraic expression. If I put equal sign, it becomes equation. Can you tell me the value of x? We don't know. If I put equal sign, it becomes equation. X is plus 3 is equal to 5. What is x? X value? X is equals to 2. How do we get? We simplify constant with another constant. 5, you bring plus 3 to RHS, minus 3, that is 2. So x is equal to 2. Then this is called equation which has got equality sign. Otherwise, it is called an algebraic expression. What is that? X plus 3 is an algebraic expression. Okay, children. Now, this is just simple definition. Then, standard form. Standard form. Standard form of what? Standard form of polynomial. What is the standard form of polynomial? Polynomial in x. P of x means polynomial in x. An x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus what happens, children? A2 x square plus a1x plus I'll write it here only. What happens here? X square goes on decreasing. What will happen here? I'll write a2 x square plus a1x plus a0 x to the power of 0. What I write here? a2 x square plus a1x plus a0 x to the power of 0. X power starts from it, goes on decreasing. It comes to x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 means 1. From n it starts, comes to 1, which is 0 power. Then an minus 1, an minus 2, a2, a1, a0, they are all coefficients of variables. Understood, children? This is the standard form of polynomial in x, which is variable. Understood, children? Yes. Now, next question. Next question. What is it? These are all basics, children. If you understand these basics, rest of the things is done easy. So, classification. Classification of what, children? Polynomial. So, discussing under a topic called polynomial. Classification. Polynomials are classified on what basis, children? It is classified based on terms. Then it is classified based on, first thing is what? Based on term. Second thing is what? Based on degree. Degree or power. Degree or power of what? Variable. I said no, p of x. P of x is polynomial in x. Based on terms, based on degree or power of variable. I write it, so no confusion. Yes or no? Based on terms, it is classified into what, children? First one, monomial. Monomial. What the second one, children? Binomial. Binomial. See, the name itself indicates. Third one is what, children? Trinomial. Trinomial. Last one, we call it as polynomial. Again, we will discuss this in detail. Now, here come, children. So, based on degree or power of the variable, they are classified into three types. What is that? Linear. Linear polynomial. Second one, quadratic. See, children, next in 10th standard, we will study quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. So, whenever you have doubt, please pause my video and get your doubts clear. What is this? Monomial, binomial, trinomial. After that, we call it as polynomial. We call it as polynomial. Understood, children? Yeah. So, it's not visible. I'll write it. Polynomial. Yeah. So, based on terms, they are classified into what, children? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Based on degree, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. We will discuss this one by one. Yeah. And arrange this part, children. First one we will discuss based on terms. Based on terms. Again, I'll write it here. Based on what, children? Based on terms. Based on terms. It is classified into what? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. What is monomial? What is monomial? Polynomial. Polynomial with only one term. One term. What is term? Term is part. Term is part. So you are in 9th standard. So you are a part of 9th standard. Let us say there are many children. Abhishek, Bhargav, Bhavya. I will call just random taken name. Abhishek, Bhargav, Bhavya. So let us say there are 3 students. So there are 3 students. What is Abhishek? Part of 3. What is Bhargav? Part of 3. part of 3 students. Yes or no, children? So what is that? Term means what? Part. Part. हिस्सा. In Hindi we say हिस्सा. So say एक परिवार में एक मेरे परिवार के हिस्सा हूँ. I'm a part of my family. First time I'm using Hindi word. So monomial is what? Algebraic polynomial with only one term. Example. What is this, children? X square. It has only one term. What is this? X cube. What is this? Only one term. 2x. Only one term. Half x. Only one term. These are all examples of monomials. Understood, children? Now, based on degree or power, what is this? Degree 2. It's a quadratic polynomial. When I put it under terms, it is called monomial. If I put it under degree, it is trinomial. If I put it under degree, it is linear. We'll discuss that, children. I am giving explanation. So, what is monomial? Algebraic expression with only one term. Yes or no, children? Now, second example, binomial. What is that? What is binomial, children? Polynomial with two terms. Polynomial with two terms. Example, children. Example. Take x plus 2, x squared plus 3, x cubed plus 4, and so on. See now, what is this? Having two terms, x and 2, x squared plus 2, x cubed plus 4. If I put it under degree, this will be monomial, this is linear, quadratic, cubic. See, that also we'll discuss it. Very easy, nothing to explain in detail. What the next time, children? Please pause my video and again get your doubts clarified. What is this? Trinomial. Tri means what? 3. Not TRY tri. TRI tri. Triangle. Polygon with 3 sides. Trinomial is what? Polynomial with 3 terms. Here, polynomial with 3 terms. Example, children. Example, x square plus 2x plus 3, x cube plus 5x plus 1. Yes or no? See, I am teaching degree also. Degree is what? 2, highest degree. Degree 1 is there. Normally we don't write. It is linear. But highest is what? 2. Here, degree 2 is not there. Degree 3. Don't worry. It is what? X cube plus 5x plus 1. We are talking based on terms. It is trinomial having 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no, children? What is polynomial? Algebraic expression with many terms. We discuss only monomial, binomial, trinomial. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now, based on degree. Based on degree or power of what? Of variable. Is it visible? Yes. Because when started writing, slightly done. I can keep it at that time. Yeah. What is this, children? Based on degree or power of the variable. Again, polynomials are classified into how many types, children? Linear. What is linear polynomial? Polynomial in which highest degree of the variable is 1. Polynomial in which highest degree of the variable is variable is 1. Degree means power. Degree means power. Power is what, children? 1. Example, say third, x square, x. Then what the power? Power is, or degree is 1. We don't write. Then write here, x plus 2. See, there are two terms. This is binomial based on terms. Now we are talking about based on degree or power of the variable. It is linear polynomial. Polynomial in which highest degree of the variable is 1. It is monomial. This is binomial based on terms. Here since degree is 1, only one variable, and its highest degree is 1. It is called linear polynomial. Yes or no, children? Yes. Then come to quadratic polynomial. What polynomial, children? Quadratic. Second one, quadratic. What is quadratic polynomial, children? Quadratic polynomial is a polynomial in which highest degree of the variable is what? Highest degree of the variable is 2. Example, children, x square. What the degree of the variable? 2. How many terms are there? 1. Based on terms, see, I am revising. Based on terms, it is monomial. See, children, x square plus 3. What the degree? 2. It's a quadratic polynomial. You will study quadratic equations in higher class. See, then easy chapter. If you understand this, you are studying quadratic equation also simultaneously at the same time. See, children, x square plus 5x plus 6. There are three terms which is trinomial, correct, based on terms. I am talking about based on degree. It is quadratic polynomial. Yes or no, children? Very interesting, isn't it? Yeah. Next, what is that? Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Polynomial in which highest degree of the variable is 3. Cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Polynomial in which highest degree of the variable is 3. Yes or no, children? Yes. What is it? Take examples. X cube. Degree 3. Only one term, monomial based on term. Then x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 1. Degree 1 is there, degree 2 is there, highest degree is there. It's a cubic polynomial. It will come for one more question. Identify the degree of the polynomials, or what type of polynomials based on terms. Then x cube plus 2x square plus 5. Only 3 terms, trinomial based on terms. Again and again I am reminding. But based on degree, cubic polynomial. Take, children, x cube plus x plus 7. Degree 3, degree 2 is missing. Degree 1, degree 3 is there. Yes or no, children? So, this is about classification of polynomials and their explanation. What did we study till now? What is polynomial? What is the standard polynomial? Standard form of polynomial? Classification. Polynomials are classified based on degree, based on terms, and based on degree. Based on terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Based on degree, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Yes or no, children? Yes. So we will go to next topic. Children, next important topic, constant polynomial. It comes under type of polynomials under degree of the polynomial. What is constant polynomial, children? For example, here we discuss x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We can add some numbers also. 5, 9, 7. 5x cube plus 9x squared plus 7x plus 1. What type of polynomial based on degree? Based on degree, cubic polynomial, because highest power is 3. Then x square plus 5x plus 6. What type of polynomial based on degree? Degree 2, because power 1 is there. Nothing written is power 1. Power 2 is there. S or no children. Then 7x plus 2. What the degree of the polynomial we are talking about? Power of the variable x. Linear polynomial. S or no children. Constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? It's a polynomial in which degree of the variable is 0. Degree of the variable is 0. What is that? 5x to the power of 0. What is variable? Variable is there, but what is its degree? 0. What does it mean? X to the power of 0. We studied in lower class. Laws of indices or laws of exponents. Anything to the power of 0, 1. So what do you mean by that, children? 5x to the power of 0 is nothing but 5 into 1. Why? X to the power of 0 is 1. In place of x to the power of 0, I will put 1. So what does it become? It becomes 5. 5x to the power of 0 is nothing but 5. The degree of the variable is 0. So now, what kind of polynomial is this? Constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? A polynomial in which degree of the variable is 0. You can write. A polynomial in which degree of the variable is 2. Variable is 2. Sorry, degree of the variable is 0. It's called constant polynomial. Example children. 5, 2, minus 6. Yes or no? Half. What are they? They are constant polynomials. There is no variable. Even if variable is there, its degree or power will be 0. Understood, children? Yes. Another type of polynomial. Very, very important. Then, yeah. Children. Now, x to the power of 3 by 2 plus x square plus 5x plus 3. Now, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Understood? Then, x to the power of minus 2 plus x plus 1. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Under two conditions, we call them that they are not polynomials. Under two conditions, children. Very, very important. I'll put a star mark, pause my video and get your concepts clear. You have to understand concepts, fundamentals or basics. Then maths becomes easy. Why don't we call it as, I put a cross mark. They are not polynomial because here degree is 3 by 2, fraction. When the power of the variable is fraction, it is not a polynomial. Why is not a polynomial? Because degree is negative. It is, or you can write here. They are not polynomials. They are not polynomials. What the reason? Because in first case, here symbol is because degree is fraction, and second case it is negative. When the degree of the variable is negative, it is not a polynomial. When the degree of the variable is fraction, it is not a polynomial. Understood, children? Very, very important things you should remember. Then coefficient of a polynomial or numerical coefficient. I'll call it as coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. What numerical coefficient, children? Numerical coefficient, take a polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. It's a polynomial. Now, what is x square? It's a term. What is 5x? It's a term. What is 6? It's a term. How many terms are there? 3 terms. Again, I am revising what we studied in previous case. What type of polynomial? Based on terms, trinomial. Based on degree, quadratic polynomial. As or no, children? Now, each term, x square, 5x, 6. There are some numbers associated with them. Therefore, numerical numbers. Numerals are numbers. It's called numerical coefficient. What the coefficient of x square here? No number means 1. What the numerical coefficient? 1. What the numerical coefficient of x? 5. Here 6 is itself is constant. So it's called 6. Numerical, there is no variable in 6. Understood, children? What the numerical coefficient of x square? Coefficient of numerical coefficient. Coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x is what? 5. What is 6? Constant term. Constant term. What next, children? 7x cube plus 9x square minus 6x plus 1. What is coefficient of x cube? What is coefficient of x cube? What numerical coefficient? 7. What is the numerical coefficient of x square? X square is 9. What is numerical coefficient of x? It is minus 6. Minus 6. You have to look at the sign also. Understood, children? Okay? Yeah. See now, I take one more example. 3x cube. All put together 4x cube plus 3x minus 7. What is coefficient of x cube, children, here? Coefficient of x cube 4. Coefficient of x square. There is no x square term, isn't it? What is it? It is 0. What is that? Z-E-R-O. It is 0. There is no x term at all. There is no x term. The question of coefficient does not arise. It will be 0. What is the numerical coefficient of x here? X term is not there. That is also 0. Understood, children? So there are what? Tricky question they will ask. Please be careful. X cube. Coefficient of x cube is 4. Coefficient of x square is what? 0. Coefficient of x is there, children. Sorry, it is 3. Coefficient of x is 3. And 7 is what? Constant term. 7 is constant term. Yes or no, children? Yes. Then, our next topic. Constant polynomial over numerical coefficient over value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial. What do you mean by value of the polynomial? In the given polynomial, put some value for x. Is it visible now, children? Visible? Okay. What is the value of the polynomial? Take for example polynomial, children. X square plus 5x plus 6. P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, in place of x, if x is equal to 2, or put x is equal to 2, in place of x, you put 2 value 2. What is P of 2? What is P of 2 children? Now in place of x I put 2 square, x square is 2 square, 5x becomes 5 into 2 plus 6. What is 2 square children? 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 10 20. What is P of 2? P of 2 is 20. What is 20 children? 20 is the value of the polynomial. What is 20? Value of the polynomial. So what is the definition? What is value of the polynomial? What is value of the polynomial children? In the given polynomial, put some value for x. On substituting or on replacing x by that value, that here I have taken x is equal to 2 in the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. On substituting 2 and simplify, what do we get? We get answer 20. This is called this is called value of the polynomial. Take another example children. Again and again I am requesting you to pause video and get your doubts clear. If you have any doubt or if you have any doubt, please put in a comment box. Understood? Now, if x is equal to 1, in place of x what you should put? 1. What is P of 1 then? P of 1 is 1 square minus 3. 1 square is what children? 1 minus 3 which is minus 2. What is it? P of 1. Minus 2 is called value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial. Isn't it? Value of the polynomial. Yes or no children? Yes, easy. Then children, 0 of the polynomial. Very important topic. 0 of the polynomial. 10 children, small, easy one. X minus 2. X. What was the previous topic? Value of the polynomial. Now, this is 0 of the polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial children? In this given polynomial, put some value. Put some value. If x is equal to 1, what is P of 1? P of 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to what children? Minus 1. Now, what the value is substituted for x? 1. P of 1 is minus 1. It is called value of the polynomial. In place of 1, you put 2. You put 2. If x is equal to 2, what do you get children? P of 2 is equal to 2 minus. This 2 is the value of x. We assume. What is this? Minus 2 in the given question. 2 minus 2, 0. What is P of 2? In the given polynomial, P of x is equal to x minus 2. And substituting some value, that's x is equal to 2. What do we get children? We get answer 0. Then the value substituted is called 0 of the polynomial. This question also will come for 1 mark. Check whether x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 or zeros of the polynomial P of x is equal to x minus 2. When do we say that x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial? On substituting this value children, answer should be 0. Is answer 0 here? No, it's minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Here on substituting x is equal to 2 in P of x is x minus 2. P of 2 is what children? 2 minus 2, 0. P of 2 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Easy question. Yes or no children? You will get 1 more question. 0 of the polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? Any value you put for x in the given polynomial, and substituting that value, we should get answer as 0. Then only the value is called 0 of the polynomial. Example children? Yes. So, easy topics. You have to understand concepts. Okay? We'll go to next topic.